Hello teachers, my name is Paul. I'm an English teacher and a video producer. Recently, I produced the music video All Over the Map, an educational music video about coronavirus featuring top artists from the United States. Now, what's interesting about that is that during our production, due to the lockdown orders, I had to train the artists on how to shoot the video from home. Today, Sharing Materials and I would like to invite you to my webinar, How to Easily Create Video Content for EFL Students, where I will teach you the same techniques that I taught these artists. In this webinar, you will learn how making videos has changed and why we need your teacher videos, how to brainstorm good ideas for teacher videos, how to shoot and edit videos, how to create a video lesson, and how to turn video into a learning experience. So, if you believe this webinar is what you need to give you the edge as a teacher, be sure to sign up and I'll see you there.